Hello everybody, Luis Pozzolo, Congressional Candidate for District number 7. Today we want to share with you an interview with a small young business owner, Dig Deep Gym, very close to Salvation Army, a block away from Salvation Army in Tucson across the Estevan Park. And I want you to understand what this young business owner is facing every day, living in this community that is out of control and anarchy, with no solution for an elected official from local, state, and federal level. Please pay attention to this interview.
So a little bit about what we have going on. This is a non-profit gym for student athletes solely, right? No adults come through here, only athletes. So that's what makes this a little bit more severe in my eyes, that this is a gym for kids, and what we're dealing with is, you know, some situations outside, meaning homelessness, drugs, and everything in between. We've had a stabbing here while kids were training, person coming bleeding, and then on the playground we can't even have our kids go clean up in the area because of the needles and the drugs. A part of our mission statement was we wanted our kids to be active on the playground, helping serve and clean, but we can't even stick to our mission statement because of what's going on at the park. This was allowed because this wasn't like this 8 to 10 weeks ago.
No enforcement.
I'm a frequent caller on my phone, and now it's to the point where I had to develop a relationship with a couple of these two police officers right here. Okay, they're the only police officers that I know that were willing to take me by the hand and say, this is how we can help change. Okay, when they come and they park their cars here, this park is empty. But when they leave, it comes back. In the back, behind that fence, is nothing but hostility back there. There's animosity, hostility, there's drug use happening, and there's a couple of dealers back there that are giving it to all the people back there, okay? Now, am I against people living? No. Okay, I'm gonna say that on camera. I am not against people living. This needs to be cleaned up. It needs to be bulldozed, cleaned up, and if there is something that wants to be started right there, we need to come in with a plan. But as of right now, this park needs to be cleaned out for what's happening.
And the dealers around too.
Because especially the dealers. And I'll say this on camera, the dealers are known over there. It's not like it's a hidden thing. At any moment, these cops could go in there and get those dealers right now, but I feel like some other force is stopping the police enforcement. But it takes the city to want to allow it to change. Right? And I feel like we need more people like you that are willing to see, like, this is not right.
It's not.
There are kids coming through here. So I'm searching for someone like you to voice my concerns.
And I will.
Yes, to Ward 1, to the city, to show that something like this should not be allowed. And I'm gonna say this on camera, I've been having to sleep here at this gym for the last 9 weeks because we almost got vandalized, okay? And I'd rather be in here ready for somebody than them come and mess with my $62,000 worth of equipment, okay?
You have a very nice place.
Yeah, and you see it's a hidden gym, GEM, but outside, you know, you would never know. And I think I can be an asset to you. Rosalind can be an asset to you guys because she brings the Hispanic community too, right? And this area is predominantly Hispanic, okay?
Absolutely.
And
whatever
someone like you, you have my full, you have my whole army of kids and parents behind you as well. And I'm willing to put your face in here, whatever needs to be done to help promote you, put your signs on the side or whatever to help promote you. If you can see that this park should be an athletic park for athletes.
Yes.
Okay, there should be no reason that this is one of the most elite parks here in Tucson, okay, given that there's a gym attached to it, all right?
Always. It's not extreme vision, that's the way it should be, you know,
and
without you asking for it.
You would have thought Regina Romero, she was the Ward 1 rep before this, would have done all this previously. She has made our road a little bit harder, if that makes sense, especially with what's going on at the park, and they know that this is a park for a gym for kids. Is why it's just like, I hate to say it on camera, but I feel like it's a slap in the face. Okay, to allow something like this to happen.
we are going to help you to bring awareness into the issue. And after November, I'm going to do everything in my power to help you for sure.
Okay.
This cannot be happening here.
Yes, sir.
And I'm an ex-athlete too. I'm a 5-time Ironman finisher.
Okay.
I did run 5 marathons too.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm overweight now. So but I know what you're saying. When I was training, I didn't want to train in a place like this, in a park like this.
Yeah, but you want to train in a gym like this,
yes,
but not a park like
but
that.
Not in a park like that. Exactly.
Yeah, and so
even you are concerned, you park your car outside. What's going to happen with my car?
Yeah, and so I just have to take.
I'm going to be stabbed when I leave the gym. So
yeah,
I got 100% with you on that.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to do anything in my power to help you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate this. I appreciate this because I've been waiting for the right politician.
Yeah. I'm not a politician. I'm running for office. Okay. But I'm not a politician.
Well,
I'm a businessman.
Yeah. Okay.
So I understand what you're talking about.
Okay. I'm looking for the right person to help back us as far as
work for somebody who works for the people.
Yes.
It's all about my movement. It's people first.
Yes, sir.
We work for the people.
Yes, sir.
We don't work for the government. We don't work for the elites. We work for the people.
Yes, sir.
And we want better communities. You need to start there.
Yeah, we need the help, and I can't believe they let it happen. It should have been they should have stopped it immediately.
The information I had, this is 9 months ago. It wasn't like that.
It was not.
Yeah.
It wasn't like this 3 months ago. Before, in May, it did not look like this.
You can see in this interview what a young entrepreneur in Tucson is facing every day. There are hundreds of thousands of people facing this problem with no plan from the city, from the county, and from the federal government to bring real solutions to the problems. So, as a business owner, I like to fix problems. I'm not a bureaucrat or a politician. I'm not running because I'm looking for a job or just trying to be in DC for the next 10 or 15 or 20 years. I'm running because I believe my experience as a business person will give me the insights and the leadership to confront these issues and bring solutions to these bad realities that we live in, especially in Tucson. Thank you.